loves, it's me, Miss Ruby. Quick update. I just want to let you guys know, for those of you who don't know, I am really trying to start taking care of my natural curls these days. As you guys can see, I am in my natural curls and they not popping. I know you ain't even got to tell me, like, just to point some things out that, you know what I'm saying, you may not know that I know, but I do know. You know what I'm saying? We got some popping curls like in this little area right here. That's cute. You know what I'm saying? Everywhere looks dry, in my opinion. Then we have some stuff going on down here that I don't even understand. Some straight pieces that have just lost full elasticity mixed in with some really curly pieces that make sense. And back here, like, to be honest, I don't really know what's going on. I need a cut. I need a deeper cut. So anyway, I want to make this video real quick, just like as a timestamp, because I am beginning my natural hair journey, like, for real. Like, I've been natural for a while, just to let you guys know. I've been natural for like when I say natural, I haven't put a perm or, you know, anything on my hair for a long time. I did put a little bit of color on my hair last year, and I did put some heat on my hair last year. So it's been about 1 full year that I have been completely chemical and heat free. And I've been under a lot of weaves though, and braids, and, you know, protective hairstyles. I haven't really been rocking my natural curls, especially because I just had a baby, and it's just been a lot. Ever since having that baby, by the way, or my baby, my hair has changed. Let me know if that's happened to you guys. I know I heard that it was going to happen, but I just was hoping it wouldn't happen to me, you know, and it did. And my hair is just different. Like, not only do I live in a place where I have hard water, not only is the weather changing and it's now cooler, so drier, but also, like, I've been, you know, in those situations before, you know, with the weather change, and I've been living up here with hard water, and my hair has never been this dry. It's horrible. So I noticed a huge difference, so I'm trying to, like, take extra measures to really understand the chemistry of hair. A lot of things are floating around YouTube that really go against what you learn when you actually learn the science of hair, and I'm really interested in just learning what really works, not what sounds good, not what works good for someone who already had good hair. Like, I'm coming at you being someone whose hair is doing, you know, two, three, four different textures. I say three. I have 3 different textures, just, you know, to note. Pretty much, like, my top layers over here are one texture. The bottom layer down here is another texture. It's like softer, much looser curls. And then my back is like kinky, you know, and dry, a lot drier. So coming at you as somebody in my situation with 3 different textures who's having a very hard time figuring out this curl life. And I've been trying a lot of things. So today I did try 2 different products on both sides just to see, like, which one worked. So on this side, I used this product right here that I just dropped. It's like a tea tree cream. It's not even designed for curls, you know. I did a DIY scalp cleanser first. I washed my hair with some products that I'm actually going to review and make a video for, so stay tuned for that. So I did wash my hair with that. I did a treatment on my hair that's supposed to be like a restructuring treatment because, like I said, I've lost a lot of elasticity. I think I've lost a lot of protein. So I did that, did a regular conditioner after, put on some leave-in conditioner that was light, and then used that cream on this side. And then, you know, I just, like, put it all the way through, and then, like, I kind of went through and I clumped some of this hair together and I twisted it away from my face. Just not a real twist, but just like a twirl around my finger. And as it dried like that. And then I came in and I, you know, gently, I put serum on my hands and I just gently took them apart. And I got this right here, which to me looks pretty good compared to this over here. Now, I did the same stuff over here, except I used this Perfect Assist styling aid. And I don't think this is a bad product. I've used it on other people before. It's just, so far, it hasn't really worked very well for me. I can try it again. I just feel like it's just not really gripping onto my hair very good, because I used the styling aid over here and in the back, and I just feel like it didn't really work that good in either place. But shockingly, this light hair cream right here, which is like nothing special, I haven't even really heard about this before. I just, like, found it in my stash. It works better. So I'm going to continue, but I wanted to make this video just, like I said, timestamp, let y'all know where I'm at. I'm trying to come to y'all with some really good information about, you know, maintaining your natural curls if you are in a situation similar to mine. I'm trying to figure this thing out. Let's figure it out together. Let me know any tips you guys have below. Like I said, I did a DIY scalp cleanser because I've heard that it's very important to have a healthy scalp getting started. So I did that. That consisted of apple cider vinegar, and water and peppermint oil, by the way. Scrub that in. I washed my hair with a really good shampoo, and I used the same shampoo and conditioner, so it's pH balanced. And I did a treatment, which I forget what brand it was called. I think it was by Apogee, I think. But anyway, that treatment is supposed to be like a restructuring treatment. And I put a little bit of spray on leave-in conditioner from the same line that I did the shampoo and conditioner, and I use these creams. So that's what I did so far. So just, you know, you guys let me know. Now, I know I need a haircut, y'all. I'm trying to save up so I could get this diva cut, y'all. But, you know, I got a new baby, and babies are expensive, period, point blank. So thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys on my next video. One last thing, I'm currently transitioning my channel from being titled Music and Beauty TV to being titled It's Me, Miss Ruby. So depending on when you started following me, then, you know, you'll know one of the two. Anyway, the objective is to bring you more content that is about me and the things I can bring you personally as well as professionally, and just give you guys an opportunity to get to know me better. I want to get to know you better. I realize I don't really know my audience. I usually just like make videos and upload them, but now I want to get to know you guys better and figure out like what I can do to serve you. So let me know in the comments below. I'm doing a Q&A very soon, so ask your questions below. I'm here. By the way, yeah, I am pumping milk for my baby, but we'll talk about that in another video.